baby squirrel use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh,
Mr. Alano. So formal. So, first of all, yes, magkasabot po kami ni Carol mo para sa video na to. At dahil special ka, at dahil ginawa ko pa to dito sa Zamboanga, first of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for the 2015. And happy birthday, and you're a year older na naman. So, my only wish for you is to keep on striving harder and harder on everything. Most especially careers, love life, name it. You know you're one of the people whom I value the most. Keep on making people happy because I am certain that you are, well, one of the jokers that I know. Sana makahanap ka mo na at sana manlibre ka. Yun. Yeah, happy birthday. I love you and keep on praying harder for all your aspects and I only wish you the best. Bye.
oh girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true.
Happy birthday, Jay!
Treasure, yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you.
Hi, friend! Ano ba? Di ba tayo nagkita? Ang tagal-tagal na. Nagpagupit na ako at lahat. Nakalipat na ako sa ibang company. Hindi pa rin tayo nagkikita. So, happy birthday and sana mag-iya ka naman one time. Sige, miss ko na kayo guys. Yun, ikaw at si Carol. Miss ko na kayo. So, kita na lang tayo. Basta umaga naman ako. Yung shift ko nag-end ng 4 p.m. Yun. Sige, have a great birthday. And kita-kits. Sige, God bless. Ingat.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
Jay, happy birthday! Labas tayo ulit nila, Carol. See you soon!
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy.
Happy birthday, Jay!
Happy birthday, Jay!
Enjoy your day!
Enjoy the day!
God bless!
Bye!
Bye!
Ingat!
Don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy.
Gusto pa rin Jason. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Nagdagan na naman ng isang taon ng edad mo. Natanda ka na. Sana sa araw ng birthday mo matupad yung mga at makumpleto yung mga wishes mo. Sana mag-asawa ka na. Ano nga, Carol? Di biro lang. Alam ko naman may plano si God sa kaya hindi ka pa pag-asawa. Hindi, ko lang. Pero birthday mo ngayon, peace So, Gusto lang kitang batiin from the, kahit na dito ako sa Saudi. Tropa pa rin. Happy birthday pare. Oh, yung tagay ko, ipunin mo na lang pag uwi ko. Iyon na lang tayo pag uwi ko. Sagot ko ng alak. Pulutan. Happy birthday. Peace.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Sana po mahanap nyo na po yung makakapag-babigay
Bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Bring me down. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy.
happy special day. Alam ko walang special day sa inyo. Pero happy special day pa rin. Sana bigay sa inyo ni Lord ang lahat ng magandang blessings, tsaka lahat ng good vibes this coming 2015. Sana maging mas maganda pa ang health mo. Pagpatuloy mo pa rin yung pagbabody builder mo para puro ka pa rin muscle this coming 2015. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo na gusto mo ma-achieve. Sana to this coming 2015, life mo maging mag-bloom din. Alam ko naman na halika na, okay na. Si Fiona, gusto bumati, bili. Huwag ka na, halika na, bilis. Ayan, akong ulit, kanina pa akong ulit yun eh. Oh, di ba na hi? Maganda na sabi. Go. Hi, come on.
Hi, happy special day today.
Bilis mo. Sana. Bilis. Bilis. Ano?
Sana.
Ano bilis?
Sana po, umaayos ka mo niya sa 15.
Ano pang gusto mong sabihin? Bilis. Bilis lang.
It's midnight and I'm sideways. I have to find out if you feel the same. Won't be easy, have my doubts too, but it's over without you. I'm just lost.
You know, Jason Alano pare. Una-una nga pala sa lahat, happy birthday sa iyo pare. Namimiss na kita pare, kailan ka ba uuwi? Inom tayo ni Puli pagka uwi mo pare, miss ka na kita pare. Ikaw yung tipong kaibigan ko hindi ko makalimutan ng college pare, ang dami nating pinagdaanan. Sana pag uwi mo dito pare, inom tayo, huwag mo kakalimutan. At saka nga pala pare, may naghahanap nga pala sa'yo at saka may naghihintay. Ito pare oh. Hi Jason Alano! Happy birthday sa'yo! Naghihintay ako dito! Sana dumating ka na kagad! Hello! Happy birthday sa'yo ulit! Yan pare, hinihintay ka na, ang dami na naghihintay sa'yo dito pare. Maligayang karawan ulit sa'yo pare, sana maging masaya ka sa darating na birthday mo pare. Yun lang pare, good night.
Every time I see your face, my heart takes off on a high-speed chase now. Don't be scared, it's only love that we're falling in. I would never do you wrong. Down, it's only love, baby, that we're falling in. Don't be scared, it's only love, baby, that we're falling in. We got the afternoon. You got this room for two. One thing I've left to do. Discover me, discovering you.
Hi, Jay! Happy birthday! Since wala akong masabi sa'yo, kakanta na lang ako. Kakantahan kita ng Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Enjoy your Palawan vacation, Casaluban, baby.
Wonder I will use my hands. Your body's a wonderland. Something about the way the hair falls in your face. I love the shape you take when crawling towards the pillowcase. You tell me where to go, and though I might leave to find it, I'll never let go.
Ang galing. Pare. Happy birthday, pare. Medyo late yung video ko pero happy birthday pa rin. Tandaan na. Tandaan na, 30. 30 years old ka na. Bago-bago ka na, ha? Medyo buwas-buwasan mo ng pagiging generous mo sa katawan. Pagbigay ka masyado, eh. Ha? Medyo buwas-buwasan mo ng pagbibigay mo sa mga chicks. Mamili ka na lang isa. Andyan lang yung sa katabi mo. Maswerte ka na sa kanya. Alam mo na kung sino yung sinasabi ko. Pero by the way, happy birthday ulit. At sana, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is mas lalo ka pang maging successful. Successful na tayong tatlo, di ba? Isang nasa abroad, isang businessman, isang police. Ito tayong successful. Medyo, ano na lang, ano ba? Siguro medyo ano na lang, ano pa, mag-success pa sana tayo lalo sa buhay at sana hindi tayo magbago. Kahit layo-layo tayo, isang nasa Saudi, isang nasa Quezon, at isang nasa Manila. Rizal ka, diba? Rizal, isang nasa Rizal. Happy birthday ulit. More birthday to come. Salamat, buddy. Salamat, best friend, ha? Salamat, lagi ka na dyan sa tabi. Best friend na talaga. Sa ang mabuting kaibigan. At alam kong makakaasabi mo yung mabuting kaibigan nila ko sa'yo. Ha? Maraming salamat.
Una sa lahat, nandito sa Sierra National Peace. Sa ibang gato. Kahit nung kornihan ako, akala ni Carol ko. Kaya dapat dalhan niyo ako ng maraming pasalito. So ko lang sabihin, na maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maba pa ang buhay mo. At manlibre ka naman next time. Happy birthday.
It's a feeling that I want to stand. 'Cause my heart stops beating triple time with thoughts of loving on my mind. I can't figure out
Happy birthday! Hindi ko talaga alam yung sasabihin ko. Awkward ng feeling kasi yun lang ako mag-video yung message. Pero sa travel buddy ko, sa lagi kong ka-movie date, kahit na anong movies, kahit na sobrang jolog sa movies, papayag siya basta pipilitin mo. Tapos, laging nakaasar sa akin, laging nakakapiko ng ulo. Ayan, happy birthday. And I wish lang na sana kuha mo na kung ano man yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Alam ko na marami kang struggles na pinagdadaanan ngayon. And I hope na maging maayos din yung lahat sa tamang panahon. And sana kung sino man yung mga kasama mo in the future, sana maghanap ka ng tao na may puso. Hindi lang puro ganda, ha? Hindi lang puro pagmumukha at katawan, ha? Minsan sa puso din. Kasi pag nasa puso kasi you can never go wrong. Yung taong kaya kang mahalin, kaya kang tanggapin, kahit na anong estado mo, kahit anong pagkatao mo, kayang tanggapin kung ano ka, hindi ka ikakahiya or what. Yung tao na handa kang iharap sa kahit kanino, na hindi may hiya kung ano yung tsura mo, kung ano yung ugali mo, tatanggapin kung ano ka hinihinto sa'yo. Tapos, pasensya na rin kung lagi kita napipikon. Kung yung mga pang-aasar ko sa'yo minsan totoo yun, joke lang. Pero, yun nga, sa akin naman, dito lang naman ako lagi. Kung ano man yung mga napagdaanan natin dati, let's just fix it and just be friends as we are now. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit, and sana matouch ka sa ginawa. Ayun lang, thank you!